Alrighty, thank you for tuning in to our Twilight Topside control video. We're working in our mood room here on a Twilight 7.2. For these new screens, you've got to tap to wake them up. You'll press 1 and 2, and it gets you into the home page. On the top left, you'll see some tool items. I've got H for heating, R for ready. We've got the time of day, and then this little sleepy moon looking character here is how you turn off your screen, and you can turn it back on with that 3-tap process. I've got this little yin yang looking function here. That's to change the screen orientation in or out, and to adjust temperature. Very simple, up and down, just like a home thermostat if you have a nice digital one. We've got our pump menu here. It looks like a jet with little animated bubbles. Jets 1 or pumps 1 is in a low speed. And just tap that to go into a high speed, and we see more animated bubbles and real bubbles out of the Bigfoot jets in the Twilight. Pump 2 or jet 2. This one's just a 1 speed, so it's always going to be max output. And now we've got the waterfall running there. This third button you can access from this pump menu or from the bottom right of the home menu. It's your light on and off. Every time you're off and back on, it's going to change or cycle through the different colors. Some colors will create a theme where it will strobe in and out or fade in and out. Those are always the best ones to have it on, in my opinion. By hitting this back button here, we can get down into the settings. It's represented by a gear like most settings are. We'll go through a couple of the important ones here that you should know. Heat mode. If you want to change your heat mode from ready to rest, it'll change how often the spa can access the heater. We recommend ready. Temperature range, we can go down into low if we want it to max out at 99, or back to high if we want it to be as capable as 104. Hit that back button. Now we're going to look at filter. This is how you would adjust your times, filtering. Normally it's going to come pre-programmed. You don't have to tune with this, but if you wanted to, that's how you do it. Time is how to adjust the time of the day. Maybe daylight savings is back and you have to tell the hot tub what time it is. Hold is one of my favorites. If you're doing filter rinsing, you're doing some system maintenance, maybe you're cleaning some jets in and out, put it in hold. It'll stop everything for up to an hour. When you hit that back button, boom, it'll come right back to life. Now, there are some things in the settings menu you don't have to mess with. Some of these are meant for technicians when they're in the field, just like this page right here. When you come back, cleanup cycle, you can definitely alter this. I like to keep it where the factory does at 1 hour, and that is how you rock the Twilight Topside. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more.